gonna help out today. Secretly. I'm going to vacuum the house. Before anybody finds out. Come on, let's go. All right, let's figure out how to turn this thing on. I think I broke it. Turns out I didn't break it. That's not the on button. That's where all the stuff goes, right in there. Okay, I gotta find the on button. I think it's one of these. Yeah. One of those. Let's try. It's not turning on. I wonder why. Oh. Maybe because I'm supposed to plug it in. Duh. Okay, let's plug it in. This isn't working out the way I expected. Owen, help me out here. I don't know where do I plug this thing. Owen, where are you going? You're gonna help me? I'll find the plug then. Got it! Yeah! What do you think, Owen? I did it! I'm so glad I got to help and vacuum and make the rug look all pretty. Whew. But wow, I didn't realize sometimes I guess you have to learn how to help. I guess I need to keep learning so I can keep helping. Yeah, I bet God wants me to do that too. Always learning how to help better. All right, have a great week. Bye. What does this thing do?